Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start maths for class 8. Exercise number 10 and today's topic is multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay? So normally we know that in multiply we are going to multiply two numbers. Okay, right? Numerical number. Suppose if I am going to multiply 5 or 3. So how to multiply 5 into 3? In that way 5 3s are 15, right? But today we are going to multiply but in algebraic method. Okay? In algebraic method when we are going to multiply it's a slightly different way. Come to example number 1. So question is multiply 4x cube and minus 3xy. Okay? So here first term is 4x cube and second term minus 3xy. Here we are going to multiply this 4x cube with minus 3xy. Okay? Look at here. In first term, this 4 is called what? This is called numerical coefficient. The number is called numerical coefficient. So in first term, numerical coefficient is 4 and in second term, numerical coefficient is minus 3. Okay? And this number x cube and xy, those are called lateral coefficient. Clear? In multiplication, first we are going to multiply numerical number. So here first term only 4 and second term minus 3. So we are going to multiply this 4 with minus 3. Then we put here multiply sign x cube and xy. Okay, this is the way of multiplication in algebra. As you know that 4 and 3 that is 12. 4 3s are 12 and here sign nothing means plus, here is minus, so plus minus, plus into minus that is minus. And look at here, chapter on exponent and power already know that when the base are same then the powers are added like this. The formula, suppose x to the power m, x to the power m, here base are same on that condition and the sum are in multiply form. On that time we are going to add the power, right? So here look at here, in first term x contain power 3 and in second term x contain power nothing means 1, right? So first we take base as a common part, this 3 and plus 1, powers are added because they are in multiply form, and y single term that is only 1. Okay? So minus 12, 3 plus 1, 4, x to the power 4 into 1. This is our answer. Understood? First, we are going to multiply numerical number 4 and minus 3, here 4 and minus 3, then we multiplied lateral coefficient, x cube and xy. So here power of x are different, but their base are same and the sum in multiply form. That's why their powers are added. So 3 plus 1, this is 4, x to the power 4, and y the single term, that's why only 1. Okay? So overall answer minus 12 x to the power 4 into 1. Clear? These are example number 1. Understood? Now come to example number 2. Minus of x square, comma, minus 3 by 5, xy, 2 by 3, yz and 5 by 7 x y z is our question. Okay, multiply minus of x square minus 3 by 5 xy 2 by 3 yz and 5 by 7 xyz. Okay, so first we are going to multiply all the numerical coefficient minus of minus 3 by 5 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Okay, so in first step, first number minus of into minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. Okay, in the same way we are going to multiply all the numerical all the literal coefficient. Okay, x square into xy into yz into xyz. Okay, look at here. Here denominator 2, here numerator, they are cancel out. This 3 they are cancel out. 5 in denominator, 5 in numerator, they are cancel out. So remaining part in numerator only what 1 and denominator only 7. That's why 7. Okay, and this minus they are also multiplied into plus. That's why only 1 by 7. Look at it. In the first term x contained power 2 and second term x contained power nothing means 1 and here x contained power only 1. So their base are same and the sum in multiplication form. That's why powers are added. That's why x 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, power 2 1 and this one they are added. In the same way y, here power nothing means 1, here also nothing means 1, here also nothing means 1. So 1 plus 1 and next one z, power 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1. Clear? So 1 by 7 x 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 y 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 cube y cube and z square. Okay, clear? Is our answer. Understood? Now come to example number 3. X minus 5y plus 7z by minus 3xyz. Okay, look at here. The first term 3x minus 5y 7z and another term minus 3xyz. Here this minus 6yz, first you multiplied with this 3x, then once again with this minus 5y and this 7z also. Okay, so in first step we are going to multiply this minus 6yz with 3x. So 3x into minus 3xyz. Okay, next minus sign 5y and into minus 3xyz. Okay, third term is a plus sign plus 7z into minus 3xyz. Okay, but you know that 3 3s are what? 9 and here is sign of 3 is nothing means plus and this 3 contain minus. So plus into minus minus and 3 3s are 9. X and x when they are multiplied, that is this is x square and remaining y or z. Okay, next 5 into 3 15 x y into y square and z. Okay, and this minus, when they are multiplied, minus minus, now in plus. Okay. Same, 7 3s are 21, x, y, and z into z, z square. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. Understood? This is the answer. Clear? In this way, we are going to multiply it. Now come to example number 4. Next question. Multiply 5x minus 2 by 3x plus 4. Okay? 5x minus 2 by 3x plus 4. Look at it, there are two terms. One is 5x minus 2, another one 3x plus 4. So first, we fixed any of this other term. Suppose I am writing here 5x minus 2. Okay? This 5x minus 2 first multiplied with this 3x, and once again this multiplied with this 4 also. Okay? That's why I am writing here 3x, then sign of 4 is plus, and once again is multiplied with 5x minus 2. Okay? So 5 3s are 15, x into x square, plus minus minus, 3 2s are 6x. Okay? Plus is also plus, plus plus plus, 4 5s are 20, x plus minus minus, 4 2s are 8. Okay? Now 15x square minus 8. Look at here, this 6x and 20x, they are like terms. Okay, they are like terms. So here 20 contains plus sign and 6 contains minus sign. So as you know that when plus and minus they are multiplied, then plus minus is minus. So when you subtract 20 from 20 and 6, so 20 minus 6, 14x, and larger number is 20. It contains plus sign, that's why I put here plus 14. So overall answer 15x square, 14x minus 8. Okay, is our answer. Understood? Now come to example number 5. Simplify. X square plus 3, x minus 3 plus 9. Okay? Here x square plus 3 and x minus 3, they are multiply. Plus sign is a different term. So first we fixed here any of the term. Suppose I have fixed here x square plus 3. This x square plus 3 first multiplied with this x. So here x. Next, this number also multiplied with 3 and 3 contain minus sign. That's why minus 3. Once again x square plus 3 and plus 9 and that is 0. So when x and x square they multiplied, answer will be x cube, because here power 1, here power 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus sign because x contain plus, 3 also contain plus, plus plus plus, 3 into x, 3x, plus into minus, minus 3x square, 3 3s are 9 and plus minus minus. Okay, and here is plus 9. Look at here, the first term x cube, then 3x, in minus 6 square, minus 10 and plus 9. Plus 9 minus 9. They are opposite term, that's why they are cancel out. So our overall answer x cube minus 6 square plus 3x. Understood? This is our answer. Clear? Okay students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you. The solution will be uploaded on the school website. Please write it down in your maths copy and submit it. Okay, thank you.